So I'm standing outside Splash 502 West. Go inside and we'll take a look at it now. So you first come in this little foyer area right here. You see tile all throughout. Got a little welcome desk right there. And first off to the left here, come and you got the bathroom here. Got granite countertops. Everything has done really nice in this condo. It's really pretty. Then you got a shower tub combo. Go take a look at the guest bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 full baths. Nice and spacious. So in the bedrooms it's got this flooring as well as in the living room. Here, got a closet, a good sized closet just to store a bunch of beach stuff while you're here or for your guests. Keep on going. Then you got down this hall, they got an owner's closet right there which is locked, so I can't show you that. But then you also have your washer and dryer right here, which is a nice big space there. And you come down here, and then this is what it's all about right there. That beautiful view. Right as you come down into the main living area. I'll go stand over here by the window so you can get a better look. Not so much glare. See all of this? So again, got the wood looking floor, and then you got the tile over here in the kitchen area. Cabinets are in great shape. Stainless steel appliances. Really pretty condo. Granite countertops. Go out in the patio in just a second here. Look at the master first. So here's the master bedroom. Got a king size bed in here. And tons of room still. Tons of space. You can see all this walking space still right here. And the best part, of course, is right as you wake up or you're sitting on your bed, you get that beautiful view. Here's the master bathroom. A shower tub combo again here. And then you got the his and her vanities there. And then they got a good sized closet actually right here as well. To store more stuff as needed. We'll go outside and take a look at the patio. So you can actually access the patio from the living room or right here in the master. So you can see it's a nice spacious patio. Tons of room here still. And then of course you got these amazing views. Well, there you have it, Splash 502 West.